Welcome to Home of Math. Information and Data Exercise 8, Class 6. We are going to solve MCQ of this exercise. Let's start. Exercise 8 MCQ. First question. What is the median of numbers 4, 6, 7, 9, 12? So first we have to know about what is median. Median is if the given data is arranged in order in ascending or descending, the value which divides the data in two equal parts is called median. So here is some words you have to know. First we have to get some data which we have to arrange ascending or descending. It means higher to lower or lower to higher. Suppose here is 4, 6, 7, 9, 12. This is ascending. Okay, this is ascending order. Now what is the next part? The value which divides the data in two equal parts. So first we have to count how many numbers in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have to divide equal two part. So 4 and 6, here is two number, one part, and 9 and 12 is another part which also two number. So this 7 divide two equal part. Therefore our first answer is number A, 7. But look, this one only for if the numbers are odd. Okay, so in this case we can also follow the formula, which is n plus 1 divide 2 term. Let's think how we can follow the rule. Here is number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So n is 5. N equals to 5, which is odd. So formula is median equals to 5 plus 1 divide 2 then term. So 5 plus 1 means 6 divide 2 term. 6 means 6 by 2 means 3. It means third term. So what is the third term? 4 is a first term, 6 is a second term, and 7 is a third term. So answer is 7. Okay, this way we also can find out the value. Now next question. Which one of the numbers 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 16 is the median? So we can write the number first 8, then 9, then 10, then 12, then 14, and then 16. So first we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look, these numbers are also assigned by ascending order. So here is 6 number. So n equals to 6. Look, once number was odd, we can easily divide two part. But here is 3 and 3. How we can divide two part? In this case, the middle part is 10 and 12. Right? So 8 and 9, it means two digit are one part. 14 and 16, two numbers, it's also another part. So 10 and 12. Now this number we have to find out summation and will be divided by 2. So 10 plus 12 divide by 2, it means here is a 22 divide by 2, it means 11. So our answer is 11. Okay, but here is only 6 number, but if here is 50 numbers, that time we have to follow this rule, which is n by 2 term plus n by 2 plus 1 term divide 2. How? Look, here is n means 6. So 6 by 2 plus here is 6 by 2 plus 1 divide 2. Now look, 6 by 2 means 3 and 6 by 2 means 3 plus 1, it's a 4, then 2. 3 means 1, 2, 3, it means 10. 4 means 1 2 3 4, 4 means 12, divide by 2. So 12 plus 10 is a 22, divide 2, and the answer is similar 11. So I hope you clear about median. Next time we will take practice more and more, that time it will be clear. Okay, so number 2, 1 and 2 done. Now number 3, which one of the numbers 4 5 8 6 7 12 is the mode? So in this case we have also think what is mode. Mode means most. It's the number you see most frequently in the data, like 2 3 4 4 5 6. Now look, here is several numbers, but these 4 become repeatedly, therefore the mode is 4. Now let's check. Here is 4 5 8 6 7, but here is no number which is come most frequently, therefore the answer is no mode. Okay, so don't worry, it's a simple thing. You can face this kinds of question. Here is no mode. Now next one, which of the numbers 8 12 11 12 14 18 is the mode? Look, first we have to find out any number is repeatedly come or not. Look, here is 12 and 12 come 2 times, but others number is 1 time, therefore our answer is number C, which is 12. Okay, so again, mode means most. It's the number you see most frequently in data. Thank you. Now number 5, if the number of data is even, which of the following is median? Very interesting question, right? Number A, the mean of 2 middle terms. Second, the number of 2 middle terms. Third, the mean of the last 2 terms, and the sum of the first 2 terms. But let's check by example. Suppose 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Here is 1 2 3 4 5 6. As per question, the number of data is even. This is even, 1 2 3 4 5 6, n equals to 6, which is even. So in this case, the mean of 2 middle term. Okay, mean means total number divided by that number. It means what? 5 and 6 we can one part, 8 and 9 another part. So 7 and 8 we can make addition. 7 plus 8 divide 2 equals to 7 plus 8 is a 15, divide 2, it means 7.5. What does mean? It means the mean of 2 middle terms. It's a mean, right? Mean. Okay, I hope you clear this one. The sum of 2 middle terms, it's not, because sum of middle term means what? 7 plus 8, but we are dividing by 2. It means it's an average. Okay, next one. What type of data are 48, 22, 28, 25, 15? Number 1, organized. No, it's not organized, because look, here is 48, here is 22, but again here is 28. It means 40 is a higher number, then 22 lower, but 28 again higher. So it's not organized. We can say this one is unorganized. Okay, number B. Now, which of the following data are organized? Organized means either ascending or descending. Now look, 8604, it's not organized, because certainly here is 0. Again 2424, it's also not organized. If 444422 or 2244, it should organize. Now look, 8 6 4 2, it's organized, right? Because this is descending order, 8 6 4 2, and last one 2 4 8 0. But if 0 2 4 8, it should organize, but number D is not organized because 0 should become first. Okay, so the right answer is number C. Now, of data 6, 12, 22, 22, 26, 30, 36. So, number 1, mood is 22. Yes, mood is 22 because frequently the most number is 22, which come twice, 22 and 22. So, the mood is 22. We know mood means most, right? Mood means most. It's the number you see most frequently in data. Okay. Now, median is 22. Let's check. 6, 12, 22, 22, then 26, then 30, then 36. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, this one part, and 26 and 30, 36 one part, 22 is a middle part. Therefore, median is 22. Okay. Now, mean, median and mood are equal to each other. Is it right? What do you think? Yes. So, our right answer is number D. Answer questions 9 to 12 using the following information. The obtained result of 6 students out of 20 marks. Someone get 8, 10, 16, 14, 16, 20. Now, what is the mood of the data? Now, let's check which number is come more repeatedly or most frequently. Look, here is 16 and 16. These 16 come twice. So, our result is number C, 16. Now, what is median? So, here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We can write this one 8, then 10, then 16, then 14, then 16, then 22. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here n equals to 6. So, these 8 and 10 we can divide one part, and 16 and 20 another part. Now, these 16 and 14 we have to find out mean, right? So, 16 plus 14 divide 2, it means 16 plus 14 is a 30, 30 divide 2, it means 15. Our result is 15, which is number B. What is the mean? So, mean means all the numbers we should make summation and divide total numbers. So, 8, look, so 8 plus 10 plus 16 plus 14 plus 16 plus 20 and divide by 2. So, the answer is, look, 8 means 84. So, this is 84 divide what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, divide 6, right? So, what will be the answer? So, answer is 14, right? Right? What is the mean? The mean is all the number we have to make addition, or we can say summation of all numbers. So, what is the meaning of mean? Mean is summation of all numbers, divide numbers, all numbers. Okay. So, here is everything. After summation, the result is 84, and all the numbers, it means total number is 6, and the result is 14. Okay. Now, our final question, the actual information of data is the highest number is 16. Is it true? No, it's not true, because the highest number is 20. Okay, the highest number is 20. So this information is not right. Now the difference between the highest and the lowest number is 12. So highest number is 20, and let's see what is the lowest number. Lowest number is 8. So 20 minus 8 equals to 12, and this is our right answer. So this is okay. Now the lowest number scored in the examination is 40%. By 20 the student get 8. So if one number, student will get 8 by 20. For 100 numbers, student will get 8 by 20 times 100. It means 0 and 0 out, and here is, we can divide by 2. So here is 5 and these 2 out. So 8 times 5 is a 40. So the result is 40%. It's the correct answer. Okay. So I hope you cleared this one. The result is 40. Therefore the result 2 and 3 is our right answer. So MCQ 1 to 12 we are trying to solve very smoothly. Thank you very much being with me. Number 13 we will start next video. That time we will discuss more deeply. Please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you.